Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at the shortcut keys for the edit menu within TruCUT RDWorks. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back in the program here. Now, if I carry on with this little series, we're going to be looking at the edit menu, which is here on your main menu. So if we had to open this, you'll see we've got a variety of different shortcut keys here to choose from. Obviously, some being more relevant than others, depending on your workflow. So first of all, we've got undo. So this will undo the last action you did. As you can see, it's Control Z. So if I had to, say, make a copy of this, and then if I Control Z, you'll see it undoes that. And then once you've undone something, you can see now the redo is available, where before it was not. And that's Control Y, so you can always redo your last action, which is also quite convenient. Then next up here, we've got cut, copy, paste, and delete. Now, as you can see, once again, some of these are grayed out, and that is because nothing is selected, so we cannot cut and copy. And we did make a copy of the title, so we can make another paste of it if we wanted to. We also have the delete button. So as we can see, it's Control X for cut, Control C for copy, Control V for paste, and delete for delete, for your delete key. And this is also quite universal. Like so far, all these shortcut keys is universal throughout most programs. So you might already be familiar with this, but if you're not, definitely get in the habit of using these. Will speed up your workflow also quite a lot. Then at the bottom here, we've got two, which is select all, which is Control A. That's also rather universal. It's not quite the same as undo in that, but it is quite. So if we had to hit Control A here, you'll see it selects everything on the canvas. Deselect that, and then we've got another one here which is rather different, which is select Similarity, which is Control Shift S. And in most other programs you'll be using Control Shift S as save as, where in this program it is for selecting similarity. So let's say we've got these two which is similar, and if you select this one, you can simply go Control Shift S, and then it will select everything on the design area that is similar to each other. So if you have a lot of duplicates of something, creating a pattern, you want to move it, you can just go Control Shift S after you've selected one, and it will make duplicates. And once again, if I select this and I go to edit, now you'll see all these shortcut keys are available. If I deselect, you'll see they are grayed out. But otherwise, that is it on shortcut keys for the edit menu. If we had to head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares to do cover, and also you can isolate your search on the top right. So if you want to look for anything specific, just type in there and hit the little magnifying glass button. If the results come up dry, you can always go here, request a training video, then we will make that video for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.